friends, I'm Melody from melodycooks.com, and today I'll be making heirloom tomato salad. For this easy, healthy, and delicious recipe, we need fresh heirloom tomatoes, red onion, fresh basil, salt and black pepper, and for dressing I'll use olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So super simple. And I already washed the tomatoes and basil before making the video, so everything is prepared. So all I need to do is just cut heirloom tomatoes into chunks. To remove the stem. And I'll make them into pieces about this size. And put it in a bowl and repeat with the remaining tomatoes. So now after tomatoes, I'm going to slice the onion. I don't think I need the whole onion. I'm gonna start with half and then see, and if you like a lot of onion, of course you can do the whole thing. But I think in this case, half an onion should be good. So let's peel it. And I'm going to slice it into slices. And then add the slices to the bowl and also separate them like that. And next I'm going to chop basil. And add basil to the salad. And now I'm going to mix the dressing. So I'm going to add a fourth of a cup of olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And mix oil and vinegar with a fork until they're combined. And pour dressing over the salad. And sprinkle with salt and pepper. And you can always add more seasonings later, so you taste the salad. And now mix everything together. Perfect. So this easy and delicious salad is ready. Look how good it looks. Such healthy, natural ingredients. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So delicious. These heirloom tomatoes, they're so delicious on their own, and the added ingredients really enhance their flavors. They go so well with basil and red onion and amazing balsamic and olive oil dressing. It's so natural, so healthy, and so tasty. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And to talk about easy, healthy recipes and exchange cooking tips, please visit my online cooking community, everydaycookingclub.com. Again, it's everydaycookingclub.com. And please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!